Hey guys, it's IPhoneIPodReviewer, and I just wanted to show you this neat little thing I put together, and in the video I just made yesterday, this is what wasn't working. The program was working, it's just, I'll explain it later. But, it's how to speed up your Mac. I tried it on my iPod. It worked once, but I wouldn't try it like that often because it worked, but I had to play with it to get it working because it's a terminal command, and when you do terminal on here half the time it doesn't work right on an iPod Touch. So that's what wasn't working right. It was the terminal. Terminal kept bugging out and freaking out on me because I was playing with the settings and changing how the background looked, and all of a sudden decided it didn't want to lurk, it didn't want to start up completely, and yeah. So I'm just gonna zoom out now, open this right up, and it's a neat little image I put on. It's also on that. So you can drag it straight into your applications folder, or you can leave it on like this. Sorry. And then let's just go into show package contents, resources, scripts. Open up the script, and the script is the tell the application to start, which is terminal, and this is the start. Do script, and I'll explain this part right here in a few minutes. And this is just in the window, and then end. So that just can't stops it. So to show that there's an end, otherwise it wouldn't work right. So I'm just gonna minimize this. Let's run the application. It's very simple. It some reason mine doesn't my terminal wasn't working right. I managed to get it working. I don't really know how, but I'm just gonna walk through this real fast. This part makes it ask for your password, and this part removes the cache, so it speeds up your Mac. So I'm just gonna type my password, and notice nothing appears until you hit enter, and then it goes right to the next thing for safety reasons. And then there you go. Now if you don't type in sudo, or if you change the coding, because you can do that, I believe it's open coding. You just remove removing sudo gets rid of this piece right here, the first one. With sudo, as I will just copy, without sudo, copy, paste. Just plain old remove just removes the second one, and as it says, you must run as root, use sudo in order to remove system user databases, which is just clearing your cache of leftover stuff. So say you were running an application that didn't completely close, or was leaving stuff into the cache, this cleans out your cache, both of them, with sudo. So now if you do change the coding, there is a code to enter the password automatically and stuff. Wouldn't recommend doing that, because if anyone looked at your coding or hacked your coding, it would automatically get your coding out of it. So I wouldn't recommend changing so your password's in it, but you can. I wouldn't try it, but now I just want to virus scan this just so you guys see with iAntivirus, and hopefully it's not probably instead of a sweep. Whatever, I'm just gonna cancel this. With iAntivirus, if you go on Apple's website, or just go into Mac software and then you search iAntivirus, you can find it very easily. It's on their website. I'm just gonna go into custom, add. Now I'm just gonna go into speed up my Mac, open. So now it's just gonna sweep this app real fast. It's gonna take a few seconds. Objects infected, 0. Quarantine, 0. Failed to quarantine, 0. Scanned 75 objects and took 0 seconds. Well, didn't take 0, but that's basically that. It doesn't take very long to run the program. Oh, and another thing is, if you try to run it while terminal is open, it'll just break this up saying can't get window 1 of application terminal. So you have to close terminal. There's probably some editing, whatever, I don't know. Just close out terminal, quit it, and also the script here will be in the description below, and if I manage to get it where you just don't, like, it doesn't have to be, like, it can be closed. Like, it won't say this when you run it, even though it's already open. If I happen to get that, this will be changed in the description to whatever it is, and it'll also be like a little annotation saying, it works now. Like, right about now, it'll just say, like, it works or something. So, yeah, that's basically it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and in the comments, please send me a video. I got what you guys want me to make a video on, try to put together, and the download link for this, it will be a DMG file, will be in the description. DMG file, which is just a .image for Mac. It only runs on a Mac, so it's great because this is a Mac-only program. I believe it's so no one else can edit it. It's like an edit. I can only edit it, so... Well, it's right here at least. If I deleted it, you know. That's basically it, guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe.